Now I'll show the proper method of breading 8-piece cut chicken. As you know, the breast and the thighs are the largest piece of the bird. So I'll bread those first using my roll and press method. So I roll to ensure good coverage of the breading and press. And I do that twice to ensure even coverage of the breading. Some people want to cut off the excess skin. Don't advise it. That's the best part of your chicken. Right there. And then after I bread my breasts and my thighs, I'll go straight to the fryer and drop them in, because it takes longer to cook those than it does the wings and the legs. Now I'll take these over to the fryer, and after I drop the legs and the wings, I'll then turn my timer on. Preset for 8-piece cut chicken, number 12. The chicken is cooked approximately 17.5 minutes. You press the number 12 button to turn the alarm off. Then I'll raise the chicken to let it drain. And I'll also check to see if the internal temperature of my largest part, which is the breast, is at least at 170. And it's registering 185. I'll also check a thigh just to make sure, into the thickest part, and it's registering at over 200. The chicken will continue to cook, they call it crossover heat, for at least 5 more minutes, raising the temperature of the internal approximately 5 more degrees. It's always better to have it cooked a little above 170 than below. If you notice how beautiful the color of the breading is, it's nice and brown and golden. All parts are covered because of the rolling press method. The chicken will also last longer under the lights in a deli case because it has that nice protective coating of crust to keep the inside moist. Always remember when plating your chicken for display in the deli case that you have bone side down.